Upgrade your winter driving confidence with tougher traction and dependable grip for icy roads. Best snow chains for trucks deliver the strength and stability needed when conditions turn harsh, helping drivers maintain control, protect their tires, and travel safely through deep snow and slippery terrain. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. SCC Trac Snow Chain. The SCC Trac Snow Chain is a dependable and performance-focused traction solution designed for drivers who want a balance of convenience, safety, and stability during harsh winter conditions. Its standout feature is the worry-free self-tightening ratchet system, which automatically centers and tightens the chains as you drive. This eliminates the frequent stops required with traditional chains and ensures a consistently secure fit once installed. The installation itself is surprisingly quick, often completed in just a few minutes, making it ideal for drivers who may need to gear up fast during sudden snowfalls. The diamond pattern cross-chain design provides a smoother ride compared to ladder-style chains, with enhanced grip on snow and ice for improved braking and control. Even with its strong traction capabilities, it meets Class S clearance requirements, making it suitable for vehicles with limited wheel well space, including many light trucks. Drivers should note the manufacturer's recommendation not to exceed 30 miles per hour while using these chains, which is standard for most traction devices. Overall, the SCC Trac Snow Chain stands out as a reliable and user-friendly option for winter driving, offering durable construction, efficient self-tensioning mechanics, and high-quality traction that delivers confidence in slippery conditions.
Number 2. Artizles HKN 170 Snow Chain. The Artizles HKN 170 Snow Chain is a strong contender for drivers seeking easy operation paired with durable performance in winter environments. Its quick install buckle system is a major highlight, allowing users to mount or remove the chains in roughly 1 minute, which is especially beneficial when conditions deteriorate suddenly. These chains are constructed with a high-quality manganese steel alloy, ensuring strong durability while maintaining a tire-friendly design that avoids unnecessary damage. The diamond pattern structure enhances traction and stability on snow, ice, mud, and even sand, giving it greater versatility compared to basic winter chains. Drivers will appreciate the smoother ride that this pattern provides, along with responsive handling on slippery roads. The Artizles HKN 170 also supports a wide range of tire sizes, but checking compatibility before purchase is important to ensure a proper fit. Its combination of sturdy build, easy installation, and reliable traction makes it a great option for both everyday drivers and those who frequently travel in unpredictable winter conditions. Whether used for emergency situations or regular snowy commutes, this snow chain delivers strong performance and dependable control, offering peace of mind when navigating challenging terrain. Number 3. AUVEBY Auto Fixing Snow Chain. The AUVEBY Auto Fixing Snow Chain is engineered for drivers who need rugged, heavy-duty traction, particularly those navigating off-road environments or driving larger vehicles like pickup trucks and SUVs. Built with thick alloy manganese steel, the chain features a robust 4.5mm diameter and a tread height of 16mm, giving it impressive bite and durability across snow, mud, sand, and ice. Its auto-fixing device simplifies installation, allowing drivers to secure the chains without rubber tensioners, and the self-adjusting design eliminates the need to stop and retighten during use. This is especially useful in extreme conditions where convenience and speed matter. Installation is quick, usually 1 minute, and does not require moving the vehicle, which adds to its practicality. After use, the chains can be easily rinsed clean, and the included storage box keeps them organized for future trips. The AUVEBY chain's rugged construction and strong grip make it ideal for winter expeditions, off-road adventures, or professional use where reliability cannot be compromised. Overall, this model stands out for its strength, longevity, and ease of use, offering dependable traction with a user-friendly design that supports both everyday and high-demand winter driving.
Number 4. K&K Boutique Snow Chain Snow Socks. The K&K Boutique Snow Chain alternative, designed as a high-quality snow sock, provides a smooth, quiet, and highly effective traction solution for winter travel. Unlike traditional metal chains, these snow socks are lightweight, tear-resistant, and gentle on tires and rims, making them an excellent choice for drivers seeking a more refined winter traction device. They deliver improved grip, steering control, and braking effectiveness on snowy and icy roads while remaining legally accepted in many regions, including long-distance winter routes and mountain passes. Installation takes about 5 minutes and requires no tools, making them accessible to all drivers. The kit includes gloves, a storage bag, and wet carrying bag for added convenience. These socks are compatible with a variety of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, vans, and performance models, especially those with restricted wheel well clearance where chains may not fit properly. The K&K Boutique model is certified under EU EN 1662-1 and approved as an alternate traction device in areas with strict regulations. Their quiet operation, reusable design, and vehicle-friendly construction make them an appealing choice for drivers seeking winter safety without the roughness or vibration of traditional chains.
Number 5. NITEVIZ SUV Snow Chain. The NITEVIZ SUV Snow Chain is built for drivers who prioritize quick setup, strong traction, and dependable winter safety, making it a standout choice for anyone navigating snowy or icy roads. Its 1-minute installation system is one of its biggest advantages. Thanks to the quick install buckle, you can attach or remove the chains without moving your vehicle, which is especially helpful during unexpected weather changes or roadside emergencies. The auto-tightening feature adds to its convenience by adjusting the chains automatically as you drive, eliminating the need for rubber tensioners or constant retightening. This click-and-go design not only saves time, but also ensures a secure fit throughout your journey, reducing vibration and enhancing driving stability. Made from high-strength manganese steel, the NITEVIZ chains offer excellent grip and durability across a range of challenging surfaces, including snow, ice, mud, and sand. Their sturdy construction makes them suitable for SUVs, pickup trucks, and standard vehicles, offering reliable performance even in tough winter conditions. After use, the chains are easy to rinse clean and store in the compact case included with the kit, making them convenient to keep in your trunk all season long. With a wide compatibility range, they serve as a practical alternative to snow socks while providing more robust traction and control. Overall, the NITEVIZ SUV Snow Chain is a practical, durable, and user-friendly option for winter preparedness. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.